Welcome dear students. In this video we will do our second chapter of UT2 syllabus, that is chapter 15 Roman numerals. In Roman numerals 7 basic symbols are used. For 1 we use I, for 5 we use V, for 10 we use X, for 50 we use L, for 100 we use C, 500 D and 1000 M. These are the 7 basic symbols in Roman numerals. We repeat these symbols again and again to write full counting. Before learning how to write in Roman numerals, first rules we have to learn. Rule 1 is repetition of Roman numeral means addition. Suppose we are repeating Roman numeral again and again. 1, 1. It means we are adding 1 plus 1. Means it is 2. 1, I. We are writing I 3 times. 1 plus 1 plus 1. It is 3. Suppose we are writing now, repeating X. 10 plus 10 plus 10. It is 30. Repetition of Roman numeral means addition. Remarks. Only the symbol which are repeated I, X, C and M can be repeated. Symbols which are left V, L and D, that cannot be repeated. Third, no symbol can be repeated more than 3 times. Maximum we can repeat 3 times. X. We will not repeat it more than 3 times, or X for 4 times is not valuable. It is not repeated. X for 4 times or any number for 4 times is not repeated. Maximum we can repeat up to 3 times. Rule 2. A smaller numeral written to the right of the bigger numeral is always added to the bigger numeral. Means if we are writing smaller numeral on the right side of bigger numeral, V is bigger, I, it is smaller numeral, we are writing I on the right side of V, it means we are adding I. We are adding 1 to 5. V for 5 plus 1 plus 1, it is 7. Now similarly XI. X, it is the bigger numeral. We have written X on the right side, so it is added. X plus X, 20. 10 plus 10, 20. Plus 1, it is 21. Rule 3 is a smaller numeral written to the left of the bigger numeral is always subtracted from the bigger numeral. Suppose X, we have written X. X is bigger numeral. I is written on the left side of bigger numeral. Smaller numeral is written on the left side of bigger numeral. It is subtracted. X means 10. We have written I on the left side, so minus 1. 10 minus 1, it is 9. 5. IV. V is bigger numeral. I is smaller numeral. We have written I on the left side of bigger numeral, so I is subtracted from V. 5 minus 1, it is 4. Remarks. V, L and D are never subtracted. Second, I can be subtracted from V and X. First of all, we will write all the 7 basic Roman numerals. First is I, then V, X, L, C, D and M. First Roman numeral I, it can be subtracted from next to V and X. X, it can be subtracted from next to L and C. C, it can be subtracted from next to D and M. I can be subtracted from V and X. X can be subtracted from L and C. C can be subtracted from D and M. These are the rules for writing Roman numerals. Fourth rule is when smaller numeral is placed between two bigger numerals, it is always subtracted from the bigger numeral immediately following it. Suppose X is bigger numeral, V is also bigger. We have written I I is smaller than both x and v. We have written I in between two bigger numerals. Then I will go with next numeral. It will be subtracted from the next numeral. I subtracted 1 subtracted from 5. It is 4. 10 plus 4, 14 is the answer. Now, next we will do in the next video. We will practice more questions or more digits or numbers, how to write in Roman numerals in the next video. Thank you.